They are already
Sinking.
sinking, not really sinking.
Disappearing.
Yeah. Why is it that others still continue to fight for their dreams here in Riway? And why is it others already stopped? I thought Riway is good. Riway is for everybody. Riway, if you believe, you can reach your dream. If you believe. Nagsabi nga sa akin one time, akala ko, mayroon ako future. Maybe, may mali ako. Yung kanina, hindi ko naman finlatter. But anyway, so why? Because, Joy? As what I mentioned, every quarter, the boss is conducting LTS. You cannot see that in the other companies.
True.
Every quarter, spending so much, millions of Singapore dollar. But why he is spending so much? For us to learn, for us to open our mind, for us to open our heart, that, hey, there is hope. Like me, I'm looking for hope. Yeah. Hope. To reach my dreams and to reach the dreams of my family and my relatives and my friends. Ito lang ang hope ko. I cannot bring them in some other what do you call this? Company or in some other
Network
or in some other business. I have my company before. I also employed my mga pamangkin and a lot of them. But then, ang growth ko doon is just my growth. They're still employees. So saan ko sila dalhin? Can I bring them to the path that they can reach their dream? No. As before. But in the platform of Riway, yes. Everybody. Even your enemies, you can, yes. Yeah. Especially yung may mga atraso sa inyo. Yeah. Like yung may mga utang sa inyo. Oo. Kapag may nagkwento at time sa akin, na may na may utang. Yeah. It's opportunity. Opportunity that you can bring that person here in Riway. Kasi yun na ang chance niya. Dahil I believe there's no other chance. This is the only chance. So may atraso sa'yo, dalhin mo na dito. So it's not just your friends, but even your enemies. Yeah. True.
Makabahay.
Yes. To prove to that person that you have a big heart. Right? So para makabayad raw. So, invite that person kasi walang pili. So, sabi ko kanina, the relatives, the friends, the families, even your enemies, you can bring and you can help build that person. So, okay ba? Dapat ba, Ano to, hawak-hawak? Ha? This is hawak-hawak lang. So, kung magaling ka manghawak, lalaki ang team mo.
Yeah.
Tama ba, Sir Brando? Yes. So, kung magaling ka manghawak, lalaki yung team mo. So now, ladies and gentlemen, what do you want A big team or a small team? Team. So kanina, invest in your team, in people, and in your team. So what does it mean by investing? Invest your time and effort to your people. Your people will not grow if you will not invest your time to that person